Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team. With hundreds of features at your disposal, you may choose to implement NetZoom in a phased manner so you can focus on functionality that can deliver the highest value to your organization. To facilitate this, NetZoom allows you to easily enable or disable features at any time. Using NetZoom, you can choose what features you want to implement and when. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Now let's navigate to the Enterprise Features feature. This is available to enterprise-level users and can be found under the Enterprise Configuration tab in Administration. From here, turning on and off features is a simple manner of selecting the feature menu and tab in the Features by Menu pane and unchecking them in the Available Features pane. As an example, we'll uncheck all features in the Service Desk menu. Don't forget to click the Save button for each feature group. In the IT menu, we'll uncheck everything in Business Services. And also in Cloud Services, we'll uncheck Amazon Cloud. Let's say that in this hypothetical scenario, we're only implementing Google Cloud servers. Now let's refresh the application, and we'll navigate to the IT menu. As you can see, the Service Desk menu is completely gone, as is the Business Services tab. When we click in Cloud, we'll notice that the Amazon Cloud features have been disabled. Remember, data is never removed, and you can reactivate these features at any time using the Enterprise Features feature. So let's reactivate the Service Desk features here, click Save, and when we refresh the application, we can see that the Service Desk menu has returned. That's all there is to enabling and disabling features to implement NetZoom in a phased manner. I hope you've learned something today, and please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. If you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.